Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make French toast for beginners. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 4 slices of bread, ideally a day old, 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Don't forget 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon and a small pinch of salt. Finally, have some butter or oil ready for cooking. These basic items are all you need to get started on a delicious breakfast. Now, let's prepare our flavorful batter. In a shallow dish, crack your 2 large eggs, pour in 1/2 cup of milk and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Next, add 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon and that small pinch of salt. Whisk everything together thoroughly until the mixture is smooth and well combined. This creates the perfect base for soaking your bread, infusing it with wonderful flavor. With your batter ready, it's time to cook. Heat a griddle or frying pan over medium heat, adding a little butter or oil. Take each slice of bread and dip it into the egg mixture, letting it soak for about 15 seconds on each side. This ensures it absorbs plenty of flavor without becoming soggy. Carefully place the soaked bread onto the hot griddle and cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side, until it's beautifully golden brown. Your delicious French toast is now ready to be served. For the best experience, enjoy it immediately while it's warm. You can top it with your favorite fresh berries, like strawberries or blueberries, or perhaps some sliced bananas. A dusting of powdered sugar always looks lovely, and a generous drizzle of maple syrup is a classic choice. Or, for a treat, add a dollop of whipped cream. Enjoy your perfectly homemade breakfast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.